In this video, we're going to show you how to install a keyless entry remote into your Chevy Silverado. Let's get started. Insert the key, turn it one click and then two. This will be the key on, engine off position. Insert the programmer into the OBD connector DLC port located under the steering column. You'll hear it beep at you, and you should see remote key learning active in the driver information. Press and hold the lock and unlock buttons at the same time for 30 seconds or until you hear the OBD plug beep at you. Unplug the OBD connector, remove the key, test all remotes for the vehicle. If any remote is not working properly, repeat all of those steps and try again, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.